Subway's that way.
You're kind of sure.
Almost forgot I bought this snow globe for Aunt May. I think I get my love for this city from her. Excuse me, pardon me. Serious car accident down there. Looks bad. I've got you! Hold on! That's everyone. Glad I was here to help.
You saved.
So great when you were
Thank
like,
you.
and you just like, oh man, thanks.
I got him.
Check it out.
Rhino almost killed me until I broke this chip off his horn and figured out what his costume's made of. Still wasn't easy to beat him. My back still aches just thinking about it. When MJ and I applied for this lease, I thought we'd move in together. Instead, we broke up. I can be pretty oblivious sometimes. Good old Empire State. Man, I love this town. Time to grab a snapshot. That'll do it. Map should be recalibrated now. Haven't done much photography since quitting the Bugle. Forgot how much I enjoy it. Should keep an eye out for more landmarks to shoot. Huh, it's Mr. Lee. Hello?
Peter, it's Martin Lee. I just wanted to let you know we need a little extra time to get set for May's party. I guess the cake delivery is stuck in traffic.
Oh, sure thing. Just let me know when you're ready and I'll swing by.
Great. Talk to you soon.
Okay, got some time to kill. Let's see what's happening out in the city. Forgot how much I love photography. Nice. Hi, Mr. Muggins. If this is about the rent...
Mr. Parker, this call serves as your third and final warning. Eviction proceedings.
Wait! I get paid at the end of the week. I get... Ugh.
Eviction proceedings will start Friday unless full payment is received by close of business. Good day.
Yeah, good day. Hi, Mr. Lee.
Hey, Peter. We're all set for the party whenever you're ready.
Cool, I'm on my way.
Wave to my grandma.
Empire State University, the old alma mater, and holder of my student loans. Perfect. Cool window, but I always get the feeling something strange is going on in that place. Spider plushie! Oh, a toy designer made this prototype to get me to license my likeness. Too bad there's no way to get paid without revealing my identity. Gonna guess these guys aren't trading baseball cards.
Just make the papers, just go kill him! Get the spider!
Oh, come on, fellas. You can't keep ducking income tax like this.
Not how I thought today was gonna go! You ain't so tough! In the car, now! Knock him out already! Okay, go!
I'm losing them. Gotta catch up. Just drop me off at the jail. No reason. It's raining men! Knocking the ever-loving stuffing out of dealers is my anti-drug.
Over here.
Police are coming, so I'm going.
Show us your face already!
And now for listener emails. May from Queens writes, "You're so full of anger and I wish you'd get help managing it. It's terrible for your health." Now I know she speaks from a place of concern, but this is a common misconception that I have to correct. I'm not full of anger. I'm full of love. I call out injustice, corruption, and crimes against humanity because I adore this city. And I want it to be better. What you hear in my voice, it's love. Nothing but love.
Harry's VIP card for the nightclub. Harry always tried to include me.
All units. Be advised. Assault reported. Nearest unit, converge on Lower Chinatown.
Only cowards assault a helpless person like that.
Don't move, Spider-Man!
You wanna fight? It's your lucky day. Live by the beatdown, die by the beatdown.
Thanks. I think I'll be okay.
Mugging reported. Need an officer on the scene. Officers needed near Corlear's Hook. Over.
Spider-Man! Could you, do something? Taxi!
Muggers, gotta jump in. Oh, it is on.
Look out, Tim!
Don't give up fighting!
That's it? I feel like the hold-up guys are phoning it in lately.
Thank you. I always thought
Mott Street, the main street of Chinatown. Touristy, but fun. My injured shoulder eventually healed. The bill took a lot longer to pay.
Everyone lives as densely
Confucius Plaza. I could use some of his wisdom right about now.
Witness called in a narcotic sale. Need additional units to the Lower East Side.
Hey, guys! You got prescriptions for this stuff?
So outmatched right now!
Knocking the ever-loving stuffing out of dealers is my anti-drug. I'll text your...
Sounds corny.
The Williamsburg Bridge. A convenient route to someplace else I can't afford to live. All I did was save this kid's balloon from floating away, and he made me this. It's the little things that make it all worth it. May's party is gonna start soon. Now, where did I put my bag? Mr. Lee's probably in the kitchen getting ready for the party.
Hi, Peter. Oh, Peter, I just started a mystery novel you might like.
Thanks. I'll check in with you later.
In the area of not just Fisk Tower, but right in the heart of Times Square itself. It wasn't long before the city's very own Spider-Man appeared at the scene to provide support in taking down the Kingpin himself.
What's this world coming to?
That cute social worker was here again today. You want to meet her, you let me know. Now, where did I put my library card?
Hey, Peter.
Hey guys, how's the game going?
How's it look like it's going? I'm winning.
Get this guy checked for dementia, Pete. I'm crushing him.
Well, the important thing is having fun.
I have a lot of fun whooping his ass.
And your dreams, crazy lady. Want a game, Pete? We play for peanuts.
No. Too rich for my blood. I'll leave you to it.
Hey, Pete. Good to see you.
Hi, Pete. Your aunt's in the back, I think.
Thanks.
Hey, Peter. What's up?
Just dropping in. Hey, Martin, so sorry I'm late.
You were right on time. Just keep her distracted while we get everything ready.
You got it. Hey, there's my favorite aunt.
Peter, what a nice surprise.
Need some help?
Yeah, sure. Oh, there are some heavy boxes.
No. I mean, not yet. I mean, I came to, I just wanted to talk.
Okay. Okay. Peter, are you in trouble? Do you need money?
No, I mean, I'm a little behind on my rent, but no, I'm fine.
Girl problems again, huh?
What? No, that's crazy.
I still wish you and MJ could work things out. She's a great girl.
She is, but...
The two of you would make some beautiful
Wow!
baby. Peter. What is it? Come on. You can tell me.
These past few years, you helping me through college and working here, and sacrificing so much and asking for nothing. I just wish there were more people like you in the world.
He's right. 5 years ago, you walked in here and told me you were inspired by my mission to help others. Now it's you who inspires me. Thank you, May, for everything. Here's to many more years of service.
Thanks again for setting all this up.
Oh, I just wish I could do more.
Well, May's always told me if you help someone...
You help everyone. Maybe we should send May to City Hall to have a word with the mayor.
Oh, I gotta run. Thanks again for the party and everything. It really means a lot. Voicemail from Yuri. Should check it outside.
rather live on the street than ask my parents for help.
I could patch these shoes. They'll last a while yet.
Peter, right? Your aunt's been showing off baby pictures. Gloria, I'm new here. Spider-Man turned me on to this place.
Oh, right. I mean, great. How do you like it?
They're good people. I might stick around for a little while.
Well, if there's anything I can do to help, just say the word.
After Spider-Man and the NYPD had moved in, which lasted much longer than police had hoped.
What about my dog?
No problem. But always on a leash and never in the kitchen area.
Of course. Man, this is great. You guys are great. Thank you so much.
Hoping to end his long-term reign over the city. And as of this morning, most streets
And done. Oh, wait. Not done.
Voicemail from Yuri.
Hey, silent alarm at the auction house holding Fisk's estate sale just tripped. Could you check it out? Quietly? I don't want to make a scene if it's nothing.
Fisk estate sale. Sounds fun. Wonder what the Kingpin had hidden in his closets.
I lost track of you at the party.
Yeah, I had to get to the lab. Sorry.
Don't apologize. I just wanted to tell you how much what you said meant to me. I always wonder if I'm doing right by you.
Well, stop wondering. After losing my parents and Uncle Ben, there are so many times I would have fallen apart if not for you.
Well, that works both ways, Peter. I just wanted to make sure you knew that.
May, I don't know what to say.
Oh, I think Mr. Lee needs my help. I should go. See you soon, dear. I love you.
Love you too. Good shot. Love it. Great. Forgot how much I love photography. Not getting much coverage. I should look for more towers to activate.
We have a report of a break-in in progress.
out.
Reported assault in progress. Incident was reported in Central Park.
Bro, wait till Mom sees this. I beat this wrestler right after getting my powers. Never had that much money before in my life. Or since, come to think of it. Only cowards assault a helpless person like that.
Spider-Man!
Try hitting me. Spoiler, I hit back. Live by the beatdown, die by the beatdown.
Thank you. They were gonna kill me.
And I guess these guys aren't trading baseball cards.
Legit. Spider-Man! Cover the product!
Aw, you guys are like little kingpins in...
You're so fast right now! How's he move so fast? Back off! I got it! He's not fighting fair!
Huh. Fisk did keep these wannabe pushers in check. Wait a minute, what's that feeling? Do I miss him? Gotta have something to do on stakeouts.
Attention units, we've got reports of muggings in the area. Incident was reported in Central Park.
Oh, it is on!
Spider-Man, get him!
Every two-bit mugger thinks he's the next Wilson Fisk. Well, they are going to jail, so...
Thanks. You wouldn't understand, but it's hard to have money from it. It really is you.
Hey, you freaking bastard, man, it's my...
Only cowards assault us. You wanna fight? It's your lucky day. I realize the irony in me saying this, but I hope you've learned not to hit people.
Thanks. I think I'll be okay.
Kidnapping reported. Nearest unit, please respond. Report came in from Morningside Heights. Over.
New York's noisy, but my mask can zero in on muffled sounds. The kind a tied-up kidnap victim might make. My earpiece picked up cries for help close by. You're safe now.
Thought I was gonna die in there. Thank you. Not again. There they are!
Is someone trapped in that car?
Hey, fellas! Spider-Man's ripping us off!
All done. Kind of weird anyone still kidnaps in the digital era.
The Manhattan Bridge at the Flatbush.
Attention units, civilians are trapped inside their vehicles following a crash. Officers needed in the area of Columbia.
Were they moving incident traffic tonight?
Would you look at that? Half the crime tower's back up already.
With Spider.
Would you look at that? Half the crime tower's back up already.
When Spider Cop's on the job, come hell or high water, the job gets...
Nope, nope, nope. Nope.
She'd never admit it, but the chief was warming up to Spider Cop. His casual disregard for by-the-book thinking was a breath of fresh air. She'd come around. Someday.
Bonko 2.
Yuri, sit quietly. Better find a back way in.
I am losing patience. Where is file.
There's someone else here. They must have taken it.
Those masks. Who are these guys?
There's no one here but us. We will find the file, or you will die.
This is bad. They'll kill her if I alert them. Need to pick them off silently. Yuri, the silent alarm was legit. Masked gunmen and a single hostage. Looks like a heist in progress.
Copy that. Sending units your way. Keep the situation from getting worse in the meantime.
Can do. Gotta do this quietly. Don't want to alert the others.
听见有声音。
They always look so cozy whipped up like that. Should web him from above. Whoa, careful. You stay quiet now. Someone's coming.
不对，怎么回事？
My patience wears thin.
Someone else is here. I swear. She must have the file.
If they're here, where are they?
I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know.
Move it, Pete. Bad guys are getting ready to be bad.
眼睛睁大点，有开了。
等等，好像有动静。啊
Nap time. Hey, what is that? This totally belongs to...
Don't move.
Buddy, if I had a nickel for every don't move...
Hey, Pete.
MJ? What are you doing here?
Same as you. Working. At least, I was.
Oh, I think this is yours.
Yeah, thanks.
So, Robbie's got you covering a break-in for the Bugle?
Well, Robbie doesn't technically know I'm here. And it wasn't a break-in until a few minutes ago.
Huh?
Let me explain.